The BMW N20 and N26 engines can be extremely reliable, but there's one small issue that goes completely overlooked that plagues many BMW owners. And if we get down underneath the vehicle, we can see that this access cover here is completely soaked in oil and it's leaking down on the pavement below. And so using a flathead screwdriver, if we open this cover up, we can see that the factory plastic oil plug is leaking profusely. And while this might seem like a small issue, it can lead to a large maintenance bill later down the line due to accelerated damage to the engine internals. So in today's video, we'll be showing you a verified product that'll stop this oil leak in its tracks. And so the first thing we're going to do is use this included T-handle that came with our replacement oil plug kit and lefty-loosey all the way till it's backed out, and then we'll let the oil drain completely from our oil pan. And you can loosen the oil filter to help it flow out more freely. And so this is the factory oil plug on the BMW N20 and N26 engines. It's made out of plastic, as is the entire oil pan. And besides the very odd design of this part, the factory O-ring is simply not sufficient enough to stop oil leaks. We can see that the O-ring equipped on here, which is supposed to mate to the oil pan itself and stop our oil leaks, is just very thin. It's not as thick as we'd like it to be, which essentially allows oil to bypass the seal and then find its way outside of the engine. And so the new product we're going to be installing is going to be this replacement oil plug, but it comes paired with an enhanced, thicker O-ring. And what this is going to do is create a better seal than our factory one, which will keep all of the oil inside of our engine where it's supposed to be, on the inside, not the outside. And although the part might look identical, it is very easy to tell when we put these side by side with one another that the green O-ring is substantially thicker and should solve this problem once and for all. And it is worth noting that even if you purchase the factory part from BMW, owners all over the internet report that it still leaks. So this new product we're installing is supposed to fix this problem because they dialed in the exact size of the gasket needed. And so after applying a thin drop of new engine oil to our new plug, we're simply going to use the included T-handle to hand tighten it into place. And for this motion, we'll be going righty-tighty. And now the important thing about this replacement kit is the included T-handle is the exact size needed to get the correct torque value without over-tightening, which could strip the pan, or under-tightening, which could allow the leak to still exist. So this T-handle is the exact size needed to give you the factory recommended torque value so you can know that you did this job perfectly the first time around. Just simply tighten the new replacement plug until it's flush or a little bit recessed with the outer lip on the oil pan. And just like that, our new part is installed. So now you'll refill your N20 or N26 engine with the approved capacity and only using full synthetic oil. And one of the reasons why this small upgrade is so important to do is if we look underneath the oil cap, we can see our timing chain is located right here. The timing chain is directly lubricated using oil. So whether you have a small pin drop leak or a waterfall coming out of your oil plug, allowing that leak to exist without fixing it permanently is going to degrade your timing chain and the timing chain tensioner, overall reducing the lifespan of your engine. So now we went ahead and tightened our oil cap back into place. And after wiping everything down, we can see that not a single drop of oil is flowing from our new replacement plug. But now for the final test, let's go ahead and turn on the vehicle and allow it to idle out. And then after about 5 minutes or so, we'll head into the iDrive menu and start the oil measurement process. And now we'll simply leave our vehicle in park and let it idle until it's fully complete. And as we can see, our engine oil level is okay, and our vehicle's been idling for about 10 minutes total now, so we can go ahead and pop underneath the vehicle and check our work. And look at that, not a single drop of oil flowing from our new replacement plug. So although this might seem like a very minor issue, stopping a known oil leak in its tracks is extremely important to get the most miles out of your vehicle, especially knowing that leaks only get worse. So whether you see a few drops or an entire pool underneath your car, replacing your oil pan drain plug with this upgraded unit that has the enhanced thicker O-ring is a surefire way to keep your car on the road without any expensive maintenance bills. So if you want to purchase this kit, simply click the link below and use code IZZYE9X to snag your own for the best deal so you can keep on driving for miles ahead. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Peace out.